out,
Mhm.
should a CBD company focus on their own manufacturing and fulfillment?
Definitely not do your own manufacturing. Like why? Oh, I'm gonna buy, the raw ingredients and then cap it, fill it. Just, it's for the cost of what it takes to have somebody fill supplements the right way, or fill tinctures the right way, or create, whatever the product is. Pay a professional to do it, because when the QC comes back, and it's like, what are you trying to get into? People like, I want to start a CBD brand. Next thing you know, I'm starting extraction. I'm starting farming. I'm starting seed to shelf. I'm some in my, bathroom or backyard or garage with 20 people making this because this is, the brand. This is what we want to do. It's like, do not do that. Do not do that.
It's very hard to pull it off. I only know 1 or 2 brands that have the whole vertical operation and they're doing it the right way. It's very hard.
Well, it's unnecessary. Do you think Coca-Cola grows their own sugar? And do you think, what you want to do is build a brand, focus on building the brand, put all your money, all your assets, all your energy into building the right brand.
Yeah. But with that being said, I would have a very close relationship with my manufacturer, making sure I'm at the top of their list.
Well, you need to find a good manufacturing partner.
Yeah, you have to.
I mean, that's crucial.
Yeah. And a backup. I always say I say you got to have a backup. I always say you need to have at least 2 bank accounts, at least 2 merchant accounts, and at least 2 manufacturers.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think, the industry's progressed significantly, and there used to be very, few people that were credible, or a few co-packers and manufacturers that would work with CBD. Now everybody's working with it. So, and I think that, yes, you need a strong formulation partner, that's typically on the manufacturing side, to come up with formulations. I see people hire other people for formulations and then try to bring it to a manufacturer, and then they end up having to pay their formulator to tweak it anyways. So I think that, if you find, a good, solid manufacturing company that's been manufacturing for, 10 plus years and not just making, CBD or cannabis products, like a real manufacturing company that's making, real ingestibles or topicals or patches. I mean, even better yet, find a company that has a drug license that can make OTC products and that can make, drugs, because they're incredibly stringent on their standards, and a lot more difficult of a process. And, it can take a little bit more time than other places, but you kind of want it to be a pain in the ass, because you want to have that excellence above everybody else.